Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hamdan wa syukran lillah amma ba'du. Excellency, the Chief of Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic Boarding School, Al-Mukarram Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Tawakil Alallah SHMM. Excellency, to the Rector of Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic University, Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab BAMAG. And Excellency, to all of lecturers at Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic University, especially Mr. Zainuddin MPD as a teaching English as a foreign language lecture. Okay, in this occasion, I want to explain about the next chapter. And the next chapter is the nature of approaches and methods in language teaching. Okay, in chapter 3, the discussion revolves around approaches and methods in language teaching. The first is approach. Approach refers to the theoretical assumption about the nature of language learning, and language teaching. It shapes how the language is understood and involved to the technique and practices employed in the classroom. And while the method represents the systematic plan or strategies derived from the approach, outlining how to organize the teaching and learning activities. Okay, the chapter further elaborates on the three case components. The first is approach, design, and procedure. Okay. Approach is focuses on the theoretical views that guides language teaching practices, and the design. This component outlines how to theoretical approach is translated into the classroom, and it includes objectives, types of teaching and learning activities, learner rules, and teacher rules, and the last is rules of instructional material. Okay, and the third component is procedure. Procedure refers on the actual technique and practice, theoretical approach carried during the lessons, and including the step, tasks, and sequence used by the teacher to implement the method. Okay, I think that's all about my simple explanation, and pardon me if have any mistake, and thank you very much. Wallahu a'lam, wallahu muwaffiq ila aqwamit thoriq. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.